The ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter (TGO) spacecraft, owned by the European Space Agency (ESA), has captured images of the planet Mars from various situations. From TGO data, scientists have discovered another phenomenon in Mars' atmosphere at night. In the visible light spectrum, the atmosphere glows green. For scientists, this is an effect known as airglow or dayglow or nightglow, which also occurs on Earth. The recent research by scientists was published in the Nature Astronomy journal on November 9, 2023. Despite similarities with the northern lights or aurora on our planet, the phenomenon on Mars is different, and its causes are also different. Nightglow, in particular, occurs when two oxygen atoms combine to form an oxygen molecule, says ESA. On Mars, this happens at an altitude of about 50 kilometers. In comparison, auroras occur when charged solar particles collide with the Earth's magnetic field. Scientists suspect that Mars has been emitting airglow for about 40 years. But the first observations occurred just a decade ago by ESA's Mars Express orbiter, which detected the phenomenon in the infrared spectrum. Then, in 2020, scientists observed the phenomenon in visible light using TGO, but on the daytime side of Mars. Finally, the phenomenon was also observed at nighttime on Mars through the latest TGO. These new observations are unexpected and intriguing for future journeys to the Red Planet, says planetary expert Jean-Claude Girard from Ullage in a statement by ESA. Girard notes that the nighttime light intensity in the Mars polar regions is so good that simple instruments in Mars orbit can map and monitor its atmospheric flow. Future ESA missions could bring cameras for global imaging. Additionally, the emissions are strong enough to be observed directly by astronauts when orbiting or on the surface of Mars. Studying Mars' nighttime light, the goal of the TGO mission, will also provide insights into the processes occurring in the Martian atmosphere. Remote sensing of these emissions is a very powerful tool to investigate the composition and dynamics of the upper atmosphere of Mars between 40 and 80 km, says Benoit Hubert, a researcher at the Laboratory of Planetary Physics and Atmosphere LPAP at the University of Liège. Studying the atmosphere of Mars can also aid in designing spacecraft destined for the Red Planet. A better understanding of its density helps mission planners build satellites that can withstand the atmospheric pressure on Mars. Even parachutes dropping payloads onto the surface of the Red Planet need to be well designed. Source: space.com